Hi guys, it's a cold morning in Chiswick. The first frost of the year was upon us last night, but we're out bright and early. Gabrielle's on site today and we're going to try and steam clean this patio. The customer has already tried to pressure wash it, but she wasn't getting the results that she was looking for.
I wanted my patio cleaned because it was extremely dirty, and I contacted LBC Cleaning. From the minute I contacted them, they were extremely friendly. I spoke to Joanna and she was very professional. She listened to what I wanted. She sent a lovely gentleman called Conan round. He assessed the job for me. He made me feel very comfortable. He knew exactly what he was doing. He explained what the job was about. Today I've had my patio cleaned. I had a lovely gentleman called Gabriel who came around. He was extremely professional, and the job that he has done has been absolutely exceptional. I mean, I'm absolutely thrilled. My patio was black and extremely dirty with ingrained dirt, and I tried to clean it myself without any success. It has come up like a new patio and it is an absolutely amazing job. And I'm extremely pleased with LBC Cleaning, this company. I'm definitely going to use them again, and I would recommend them to anyone.